Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to make 1,000 a month with automated blogging. No writing needed. Imagine running a blog that generates money while you sleep without spending hours writing content, doing research, or even managing the website yourself. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Thanks to AI-powered tools and automation, you can create and grow a blog that earns passive income on autopilot. In this video, we'll break down the exact steps you need to take, from setting up your blog to automating content creation and monetization, so you can start making money without the traditional blogging struggles. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. The foundation of a successful blog is picking the right niche. If you want to make consistent money, you need to focus on a topic that is profitable, evergreen, and in high demand. Some of the best niches include technology, AI advancements, latest gadgets, tech tutorials, finance investing, saving money, passive income, crypto updates, health wellness, fitness, mental health, weight loss, personal development, productivity hacks, self-improvement, mindset coaching, trending topics, celebrity news, AI developments, online side hustles. A profitable niche should have an engaged audience and monetization potential. You can check Google Trends or keyword research tools like Ubersuggest and Ahrefs to see how popular your niche is. Also, make sure the niche is something AI can handle well. Topics like personal opinions or detailed storytelling may require a human touch, while fact-based, research-driven topics work perfectly with AI. Step 2. Set up your blog automatically. You don't need to be a web designer or programmer to set up a blog. Thanks to AI and website builders, you can have a professional-looking blog up and running in less than an hour. Here's how. Buy a domain name. Use Namecheap or GoDaddy to get a short, memorable domain. Choose a blogging platform. WordPress is the best option for customization, while Medium and Blogger are great for beginners. Get hosting. Use SiteGround, Bluehost, or Hostinger for reliable and fast hosting. Install a theme. Pick a clean, SEO-optimized theme like Astra or GeneratorPress. Use AI to set up pages. Chat or Framer AI can help generate text for your About page, Contact page, and blog layout. With these steps, your blog structure is ready. And now you can focus on automating content. Step 3. Automate blog content creation. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of spending hours writing, you can use AI tools to generate blog posts instantly. These tools can create detailed, high-quality content that is optimized for SEO, meaning your blog posts will rank higher on Google. Best AI writing tools for blogging. Chat generates full blog posts with prompts. Jasper AI. Advanced AI writer optimized for marketing and SEO. Writesonic creates high-quality, SEO-optimized articles. Canva Magic Write formats content beautifully. To automate content, follow these steps. Choose a trending topic in your niche. Input the topic into Chat or Jasper AI. Edit and refine the AI-generated content for readability. Use Grammarly or Hemingway editor to polish grammar and clarity. Schedule the post using WordPress's built-in scheduler. With AI, you can generate multiple articles in a single day, ensuring your blog stays updated without requiring constant effort from you. Step 4. Monetize your blog for passive income. Now, let's talk about making money. The beauty of an automated blog is that it keeps earning even when you're not actively working on it. Here are the top ways to monetize. Google AdSense. Display ads on your blog and get paid when visitors click on them. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions when someone makes a purchase through your link. Websites like Amazon Associates and ClickBank offer thousands of products to promote. Sponsored posts. Once your blog gains traffic, brands will pay you to feature their products in an article. selling digital products, create and sell ebooks, templates, or online courses related to your niche. Subscription or memberships offer exclusive content to subscribers for a monthly fee through platforms like Patreon. To maximize earnings, combine multiple revenue streams. A mix of ads, affiliate links, and digital products will help you reach 1,000 a month faster. Step 5. Drive free traffic to your blog. Your blog won't make money if no one reads it, so getting consistent traffic is essential. The good news is, you don't need to pay for ads to attract visitors. Here are free traffic methods that work in 2025. SEO optimization. Use keywords in your blog titles, meta descriptions, and content so Google ranks your site higher. Pinterest marketing. Create eye-catching pins that link back to your blog posts. Pinterest is a powerful traffic driver. Quora Reddit. Answer relevant questions in your niche and link back to your blog for more details. YouTube automation. Create simple, faceless videos summarizing your blog posts and drive traffic to your site. Email marketing. Collect emails from visitors and send weekly newsletters with helpful content and promotions. When you implement these strategies consistently, your blog traffic will grow and your earnings will increase. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to making 1,000 a month with automated blogging without writing a single word. With AI-powered tools, automation, and smart monetization, you can build a blog that generates passive income while you focus on other things. Now it's your turn. Are you ready to start your automated blogging journey? Let us know in the comments what niche you'd pick. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more passive income strategies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.